storage.
Okay.
Yeah, you need that in your light bulb.
There's the wrong one.
Sorry.
That's it. No. Jeez.
Is that the one?
That's the wrong one.
That's the wrong one?
Yep.
Or is that the one?
Copy it over to it too.
Okay.
Like
Put this in
that.
there and throw that away so you don't get confused.
Okay. You okay?
Sir.
It's tough.
Okay. Can you turn it off?
Yeah. Hang on. Don't move.
All right. We're in business.
Okay. One down, one to go.
Sir.
Can I turn the fan on?
Not yet, son. Let me finish what I'm doing here, and then I will. I promise you.
Okay.
There.
Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you very much.
We're being live television here.
So you look at a website.
Whoa.
Oh, did you see that? Did you film that?
Yeah.
I hope not.
I only looked
Yeah,
at
your
it.
dad's away.
I only looked at the top of it.
All right. That's easy.
That's tall.
Is it?
Yeah.
And that roof is way taller. It seems like that might be. I don't know. I don't know how we're gonna get that. We need to take these things down. But here, that off. See how that goes. Oh, I'm watching that switch on. That lights because one of them's worn out, so I definitely have to fix one of them. So, see? Wait, never mind. I thought one of them were burned out. I guess they fixed it. I think you already fixed that one. Sorry, I couldn't show you guys.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Okay. We'll get it. Hang on.
So that, are those two wrong? Yeah, I mean, yeah, they get them wrong. It looks like it's about more.
So I'm gonna dust this. So a lot of dust is gonna fall on the ground. So you might wanna step in the other room. Okay, so you can get dust.
Yeah, I'll go. So you see, like the braid brackets are so dirty. Can you see? I probably never got dust in yours.
You guys wanna get out of here?
I watched through the glass. I'm videotaping that. I guess we have to clean the floor after that. Now that thing was dirty. I don't think this one's like probably not that dirty at all. Well, probably in the back of the plate, I don't know. Yeah? That thing was
Do we
dusty.
want to get the fan in here while we have the ladder here?
Sure.
So,
Ugh.
okay, see how to bang this way.
I see
I
there's
gotta bend
drips.
this, so be careful, guys.
Hang on. Let me get this stuff out of the way too. Hang on.
Yes, sir. So I need you to. I need you to open. Go ahead. Take your time. Take your time.
I'm gonna move out of your way. Oh, you're strong.
Okay.
Now you're doing.
Is that enough?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna check if that's tight. Okay, then.
Thank you.
Go.
Here, I'll grab it from you.
Ooh. Don't do it too fast. I feel like it's shaking a little. You don't have to rush it. The back of the I think it's kind of dirty. What color is it?
What color is what?
The back of the blades.
Same color. It's wood.
What? Okay. Those things are shaky. Because they're like 27 years old.
You okay, George?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're okay.
Yep. Thanks. Okay.
I know. I'm just saying. You look like you're rushing.
Oh no. I just want to be thorough.
You want to get it over with?
Well, be thorough, but I don't want to spend too much time with you.
Yes. I mean, you could take your time, but I'm not too much time. That's what I mean. I'm probably saying it a different way. They have tall ones. Is that all? Oh. Okay, that thing. Hey, you're low. I think. So that's it? Was it dirty?
Very dusty.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I don't know last time when I cleaned it.
Yeah.
I felt like the one in the sunroom was more dusty. It was in the front of the ceiling fan. I don't know what I can see. That's it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, here she comes. Boomerang.
You gotta put that outside.
Garage. Anything else?
Yeah. Come on, the garage. Come on.
Okay. Put my shoes on.
What?
Crocs. Okay. Okay, thank you. And I think they changed the lights. It used to be those old ones that didn't have a protector. Yeah. I like the new one because I think it has a type of probably plastic or glass that protects the light.
Okay, Pop, is that okay?
Yep.
Here. Yeah, so, okay, now, subscribe if you want me to drive away. In 3, 2, 1. I'm just kidding. I'll run away from home. Go, go, go!